So this is a shower lamp or outdoor lamp. We're actually gonna use ours outside, but I'm putting it in the shower, as you can see right here. This has 4 different settings. It's kind of got like a white setting. Right here, you pull this. You got that setting, and then you got that setting, okay? And I'm not sure why it's blinking. It doesn't, I see it blinking in the camera, it doesn't blink in real life. So that's just, the camera's doing something crazy. Then you have this setting. This setting is like a light setting. I'm gonna turn this off. This is a light setting that will basically rotate through all the different colors. When you find the color that you want, if you want to keep it on one color, I kind of like the idea of it changing. You pull it one more time and then it stays there. So really neat, black, heavy base. To put it together, you just screw this together. To get power into it, there's a USB-C. It comes with a USB-C cable like most devices out there. And yeah, so there you go. If you want to turn it off, you just long hold it. Yeah, the white for some reason does that weird thing. You don't see that in real life. That's just something that the camera is doing. It's a refresh rate. So yeah, pretty cool. It's got like a kind of a, I don't know, it's like rubbery bottom so it doesn't slip. But yeah, pretty neat little lamp. I want to get a few of these for outside.